Oops, got cut off there, ran out of time. Alright, so anyways, if we, each student in the class had to read 5 books. So if they all read how many they were supposed to, they'd read 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 books total. Now what this number tells us up top is that they read 2, oops, that's kind of a bad circle, let me try that again. They read 2 more books than they needed to. So if we put them all together, they were supposed to read 25, they read positive 2 more than that, so altogether they read 27 total. Because we had Jim read 6, plus 1 more than 5, Bob read 3, negative 2, compared to 5, 2 smaller than 5, Susie read 7, 2 larger than 5, Frank read exactly 5, so he was not above or below, he had 0, and Jill read 1, or 6, or plus 1 over 5. So they read 27 total. I'm going to put one more up for you to try, and that will be our last one. Okay, here's our new problem. Students were to bring 4 toys into school. Now I want you to look at this chart below. Phil brought plus 2, Gwen brought minus 1, and Garrett brought 0 right on. I want you to pause and write underneath on your paper how many toys did they each bring in. As remember, they were supposed to bring 4. Phil brought 2 more than he was supposed to. Gwen brought 1 less than he was supposed to. And Garrett brought 0. Let's see if we got that. Pause it, try it out. If you did that correct, you know that Phil brought in 6, Gwyneth brought in 3, and Garrett brought in exactly 4, how many he was supposed to. So now let's put those on our number line and see how many positive or negative they brought. So go ahead and draw the same number line I drew on my screen. Okay, so we start at 0, and I'm going to start with Philip. Philip brought in 2 more than he was supposed to. So I'm going to jump 2 on my number line. 1, 2. Okay. Now Gwyneth brought in 1 less than she was supposed to. So we're at 2, but we have to go back 1. So now we're at 1. Now Garrett brought in exactly the right amount he was supposed to, 4. So we actually stay right where we are. So we have 1 more toy than we were supposed to have. And let me show you what that means. If we have 3 kids, each bring 4 toys, we're supposed to have 12 toys. But if we count how many they actually brought, you see we have 1 more, or plus 1 more than we're supposed to. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 4 is 13. So we're positive 1 more than we're supposed to. That's the end of our lesson. I hope it wasn't too hard. I know this is kind of a confusing topic, but we'll spend a lot of time on this. I'm going to spend some extra time with your group tomorrow in class, going through this and explaining it a little bit. Have a great night. Bye.